Presido Buhari don meet with world leaders for the 77th session of United Nations General Assembly. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn African countries make dem continue to collaborate with their Arab partners, especially for matter wey concern Israeli-Palestine conflict. Presido Buhari yarn dis one when he do talk with Palestine Presido Mahmoud Abbas for New York during the United Nations General Assembly. Mahmoud Abbas thank Presido Buhari for the support wey Nigeria dey give dem and come still yarn Presido Buhari say Palestine dey follow peace to take resolve the matter with Israel. Presido Buhari continue to talk with former Presido of Niger, Mohamedou Issoufou, when be the special envoy of United Nations Conjoint Strategic Assessment and Governance Situation for Sahel. Presido Buhari come here and make Lake Chad Basin Commission collaborate with the Great Green Wall to fight desertification for Africa. Presido Buhari continue to talk with the General Secretary of Organization of Islamic Cooperation, Hissène Brahim Tawar, and the two leaders come do talk for how Nigeria fit to collaborate with the organization.
He pointed out that the OIC was very much ready to help Nigeria with the humanitarian crisis in the northeast of the country in particular, and in other projects such as the recharging of Lake Chad, and also in the fight against terrorism, to cooperate and more or less try to replicate what they're doing in Uzbekistan with the Lake Chad.
Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget to your PVC and be your power. Not tell I'm giving any politician an election day.